Hey guys, good morning. Come on, we're going to go buy some groceries. Yeah. So yeah, it's been a while since we've made a long format video. So here it is.
Arghentrock.
Para saan yung pamay ko?
Sa likod ng kotse, nalagay ko lang doon sa may upuan. Huwag mainit. Ano to?
55, 31, 55. Yan.
Nice.
We're looking for baking accessories. Juliana.
Ano gusto
This
mo?
is Mr. D.I.Y.
Ready? Sabi na to, di ba? Pag sobrang init sa kotse.
Get that one.
Ayaw ko na yung oras mo.
What?
Sinasayang ko na yung oras mo. Grabe siya. Sinasayang ko yung oras niya, grabe siya.
My time is your time.
Ano ba? Syuangit ko. Parang pang baby sandals here.
Baby sandals?
Yeah.
This is Mr. D.I.Y. Radio. Mr. D.I.Y. Radio.
Walang konti lang.
Maybe that is.
Pag naliligo si Yam Yam. Ang dami naman. Dapat man lang.
Meron daw, big and small.
Diba?
So, ilan mo bang gagamit mo?
Ha? Yan? Gusto ko lang ilagay niya pag naliligo siya. Ang dami naman. Ito, ang dami. Ba't ito walang tunog? Mas maganda ito.
Natuwa.
Mas maganda tunog nito.
Yan na lang. Ito na lang.
Pero ito may mommy duck. Diba?
Sige na, kunin mo na yung mommy duck.
Kailan ko magkano to? Check ko muna kung magkano.
Huwag mo na i-check, bili mo na.
May tatlong binili. Ako nakita. Baka delikado.
Ayun, maganda. Capybara.
Cute na.
Capybara bag. Disney Princess bag. Cloud bag. Minnie Mouse.
Ito ano.
Para sa ito pang shopping.
Saan?
Shopping bag. Mugs.
Dito ba natin nabili yung mug natin na colorful? Tinatanong ako nito, hindi ko maalala. Ito ba yun?
76.
A few minutes later.
Ang konti naman ang pang-baby. Hindi mo
How much? Mga 1-3? Yan. Ito ang country road. So guys, this is what you call a country road in the Philippines.
Klaseng country road to.
I don't know, this is what the countryside looks like here in the Philippines.
Hindi naman sa lahat.
Sa lahat.
Talaga.
Yan. Ganyan.
Sa Isal. Yung dating malito peso, pero may peso na.
Ah, food.
Kainan na siya.
What are they selling?
Ayun, hindi ko nakita. Walang usual, pares.
Pares.
Parang halos lahat ang ino-offer ngayon, pares, kape. Pero pareho ni mga business nila.
Yes, yes.
Parang hindi na nag-iisip ng bago. Naggagayahan na lang. Nagana lang sa
And we're on our way home.
na.
So I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all of our subscribers, our loyal subscribers. Thank you very much for joining our channel. We really appreciate you all wherever you are in this world. We are very happy that you are here with us, joining our adventures, no matter how small they are. And the food, of course, the food. We haven't been making long format food videos, but we hope to do that very soon. As you all know, all you vloggers out there, you know how hard it is to manage time. So you only get to vlog when you have the time. So it's very hard, but we're doing this for you.
Okay.
Volcanic rock, guys. They carved this road beside this volcanic ridge. We're going home now, guys. This is the Thunderbird place. Thunderbird
Resort.
Casino. Sorry, hotel. It's a very rocky area. Hi guys, so that was our grocery run for today. Thank you for joining us, and we appreciate you all for joining us.
Ano ba, Daddy? Sa camera mo.
Putol naman ako.
Ayan, bye-bye. Say
Teka,
bye.
nasa ano tayo?
Say bye.
Putol ako.
Huwag ka. Ayan. Say bye.
Tayo sa...
Hmm.
Bye-bye!
Ayan, bye-bye.
We're in a tunnel.
Arghentrock.